What's up, everybody? Welcome to the absolute best out of your lives. I'm Sajjad Manori, a BTech second year student, and exactly a year ago, I was sitting in your place and I was wondering how could I make the 4 years of my BTech count. And that time, I realized that college isn't just about surviving lectures, it's about developing your complex ideas into reality so that it could create a change in the society. As a tech enthusiast, I constantly look at ordinary hardware and think, how could I make it more personalized? How could I make it more smarter? For example, look at this normal watch. It gives you constant like time and all that, but think if it is integrated with Gemini, it can give you more personalized results. Like you have been working for so long, now it's time to take a break. You have been studying for 10 hours straight, now it's time to take a 2 hour break. So we can just turn this simple thing into a innovative one. The best thing about our campus is the Happiness Connect program. Like before a fresher enters into our college, he has to undergo a Happiness Connect program where he's like engaged with social activities. So we can just collaborate with the trainer and can tell him ki give the students tools like Gemini so that they can make it more creative. The this way we can just enter, like we can just engage the freshers. And the biggest failure in my life was ki I was not able to explain tech to normal people. So what I did ki, there is a story like when I was given the chance to explain project Maya to Sri Sri Ravi Shankar ji. That time my instructor instructed me ki you have to explain it in a like story manner, but I explained it in a more technical manner, which most of the people didn't get it. So my instructor was very upset with me, but I learned ki the best thing to explain tech is in a simple manner so that everybody gets it. And how to make Gemini the most talked about thing in the campus in 7 days. The best thing is we can just get it with the Happiness Connect program. Like you see, there are so many new students there. From day 1 to day 5, we can just tell the students ki you use Gemini and you can mark your everyday journey with it. And apart from that, ki when day 5 and day 6 will there, where you have to do any social activities like social awareness program, get Gemini. You can use Gemini to create videos. You can use Gemini to just create a poster. You can use Void 3 like video editing tools, Flow. You can use that. So that way we can make Gemini the most talked about thing, and at day 7 we can reward the ones with the best uses of the AI tools. So this is this thing, and now we'll not just ace the semesters, we'll just crack them. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day. Sure.